Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock from Design Build Solutions with today's Tech Tip Tuesday. I want to go through kind of the intricacies of each step that I take to create a foundation plan, particularly where there's a walkout basement situation. So let's get started. To set this up properly, first of all, you'll see I've got this walkout basement situation. So my foundation level 0, my first floor is still on level 1. My foundation plan is on level 0. And to set this up right, I need to make sure that my walls, my exterior walls, or all the walls that have a foundation, if you will, are set up as a pony wall. So let's change the pony wall, and I'm going to set the we're going to do a 10-inch block new, and we're going to align with the outside, not the main layer, the surface, outer surface outside. There we go. All right, now in my template, I do not have a plan view or a default set up for foundations, but I do have a layer set for that. So let's go to Foundation Set. This changes my defaults to using active defaults, and so I'm going to create a. I'm going to go into here. This is my default sets control, and I'm just going to start with a new foundation plan annotations. I know Chief calls them default sets now. I'm still in the old school, call them annotation sets. It makes sense to me anyway. So I call them foundation plan annotations. All right, I do have in my setup already foundation dimension defaults, foundation rich text defaults. I do not have foundation text defaults, so let's create a new one here. Foundation text defaults. And the big difference is it's on the foundation text layer. It is a solid white fill, that's fine, and we'll use the 1/4 inch. Revision clouds, I'm going to use 1/4 inch scale defaults for callouts and markers and arrows. I'm going to use the foundation layer set, and the current CAD layer will be CAD Foundation. So now that I've created that new one, we created it here, Foundation Plan Annotations. I'm going to switch to Foundation Plan Annotations. And then I'm going to not going to save the active view, because right now, if I saved it, it would change CD Plan View to turn to the foundation. So I'm going to do a new plan view here, and then save the active view. Foundation Plan View. Lastly, I need to go to my project browser. If you don't have your project browser up, I go to this tool right here, Project Browser, or you can click on View Project Browser. Go into the, I've got two models open, the existing and the new. I'm going to click on the new because that's the file I'm working on, Plan Views, and I'm going to right click on the Foundation Plan View and edit this view so that my pony wall display will show the lower wall. I'm also going to this foundation plan view does go to the floor foundation. You could, most of my plan views use any floor, because like an electrical plan view or an architectural plan view, I want to see the electrical information. I don't want to, when I switch to electrical plan view, I don't want to jump to the second floor or jump to the first floor or jump to the foundation. I'm going to use that plan view on all or any floors. This is the foundation plan view, so it's only going to be on the foundation. I'm going to save that there. And lower wall, prompt to save, that's good. There I have my foundation plan view. From here, I could even turn off these interior walls if I wanted and just have the foundation wall. So I could have this millwork off. I don't need that in this plan view. I don't need this in the plan view. Like so. I just need to give some outlines of where the floors drop and change levels. Why is walls normal? That walls normal was already off. Normal interior and normal. There we go. Walls normal needs to remain on because I'm going to change these to my foundation layer. This is walls foundation. Because they aren't set, that is a foundation wall. That's why it's not on that's why it wasn't in the walls foundation layer. Foundation wall. Now they're on the walls foundation plan, and I can turn the walls normal off. Now that I have my foundation plan annotations, that's going to draw all my dimensions on the foundation dimension tool. I can adjust these dimensions as necessary. Now notice if I do adjust these, it will adjust the dimensions here. So I might need to adjust some of the ways that it interacts between that pony wall to maintain 24 feet and 24'8", the way I'd want to see it. But that's for another video. Thanks so much for watching these. Please leave an encouragement with a like and a subscribe. And I do enjoy the comments that I hear from all of you. So if you have a thought or a comment or a question, leave that below. Otherwise, have a great week. Take care.